Hello and welcome to QA Explorers. In this video, we'll be exploring what is regression testing, why is regression testing important, how to do regression testing effectively, and advantages and disadvantages of regression testing. What is regression testing? Regression testing is the process of testing software after changes have been made to ensure that it still works as intended, and that any new changes or features have not caused any unintended consequences or errors. It's an important part of software testing because even minor changes can have unintended consequences, and regression testing ensures that these consequences are caught early and fixed before they become larger problems. Why is regression testing important? There are several reasons why regression testing is important. 1. By catching errors early, regression testing can prevent bugs from spreading throughout the software and becoming more difficult to fix. 2. Regression testing helps build confidence in the software. If users or stakeholders know that the software is being thoroughly tested and that any changes have been checked for unintended consequences, they are more likely to trust the software and use it with confidence. 3. Regression testing can save time and money in the long run. By catching errors early, regression testing can prevent more significant problems from occurring down the line, which can save both time and money on development and testing. How to do regression testing effectively? There are several steps involved in performing regression testing effectively. Step 1. Identify what needs to be tested. This includes any areas of the software that have been changed, as well as any areas that may be affected by those changes. It's important to have a comprehensive understanding of the software and how it works in order to identify all the relevant areas. Step 2. Create test cases that cover all the identified areas. Test cases should be designed to thoroughly test the software and ensure that it works as intended. It's important to create test cases that are both comprehensive and efficient, so that we can test as much as possible without taking up too much time. Step 3. Execute the test cases and record the results. This includes any errors or issues that are found, as well as any unexpected behavior. It's important to document all the results so that we can track the progress of the testing and ensure that everything is being properly tested. Step 4. Analyze the results and determine what needs to be fixed. This includes prioritizing any issues that are found and determining how to fix them. It's important to work closely with the development team to ensure that any fixes are properly implemented. Step 5. Repeat the process as necessary. This may involve retesting areas that have been changed or testing additional areas that may be affected by those changes. It's important to continue testing until we are confident that the software is working as intended. Advantages: it helps maintain the overall quality of the software. It builds confidence in the software among users and stakeholders. It can save time and money in the long run by catching errors early. It ensures that new changes or features have not caused unintended consequences or errors. It helps identify defects that may have been missed in previous testing phases. It helps to ensure that the software remains stable and functional, even after multiple updates. Disadvantages: it can be time-consuming, especially when there are a large number of test cases to execute. It requires significant planning and coordination between the testing and development teams. It may require additional resources, such as hardware, software, and personnel. It may result in false positives or negatives, which can lead to wasted time and effort. It may not catch all errors, as some may only occur under specific conditions that are not covered by the test cases. It may not be practical for all types of software or all phases of the software development lifecycle. Conclusion: regression testing is an important part of software testing that helps ensure the overall quality of the software. By following the steps outlined in this video, we can effectively perform regression testing and ensure that the software is working as intended. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has